Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. In the previous class, we discussed about present perfect. And in present perfect, I have given you each and every kind of example where we can use, present perfect. In which situation, we can use present perfect. Now we are gonna discuss about present perfect continuous. By the title, you will come to know about, present perfect continuous. What does it mean and where we can use it. Okay. I have written some examples. Let us go through these examples first, then I'll explain you in a proper detail. So, first example is it has been snowing since 7 a.m. Okay, it has been snowing since 7 a.m. सुबह 7 बजे से बर्फ हो रही है. He has been reciting the Holy Quran since 4 p.m. वो कुरान की तिलावत कर रहा है किस टाइम से 4 p.m. 4 बजे से. PM you know, AM PM you know where we can use. She has been cooking food for last half an hour. Okay, again she has been cooking food for last half an hour. वो पिछले आधे घंटे से खाना पका रही है. Numan has been playing for last 1 hour. Numan पिछले 1 घंटे से खेल रहा है. I have been teaching English for last 10 years. मैं पिछले 10 साल से इंग्लिश सिखा रहा हूँ. ओके, वी हैव बीन वेटिंग फॉर यू सिंस 10 a.m. अगेन वी हैव बीन वेटिंग फॉर यू सिंस 10 a.m. हम आपका सुबह 10 बजे से इंतजार कर रहे हैं. यू हैव बीन डिगिंग सैफरन लैंड फॉर लास्ट 3 hours. ओके, यू हैव बीन डिगिंग सैफरन लैंड फॉर लास्ट 3 hours. आप पिछले 3 घंटे से सैफरन लैंड खोद रहे हैं. They have been teaching students over the years. Okay, they have been teaching students over the years. वो सालों से बच्चों को या तालिब इल्म को पढ़ा रहे हैं. Okay, so what does it mean? It has been snowing since 7 a.m. Okay, in which in which situation we can use this kind of sentence. Okay, see for example, if any if any action starts from any point of time in the past but it hasn't completed yet, it is still continuing. Okay, यहाँ पे मैंने example दे दी है 7 बजे से बर्फ हो रही है. मतलब it's still snowing, it hasn't finished yet, it hasn't stopped yet. Okay, same way he has been reciting the Holy Quran since 4 p.m. वो 4 बजे से कुरान की तिलावत कर रहा है. वो 4 बजे से. See for example, I went to my friend to see him. It was 4 o'clock. Okay, it was 6 o'clock. When I told him how long you have been reciting the Holy Quran, he says his mother says, okay, his mother says he has been reciting the Holy Quran since 4 p.m. It's as per your, it's as per the situation. Okay, you will easily understand it. You just have to know the meaning, its meaning. He has been reciting the Holy Quran since 4 p.m. वो 4 बजे से कुरान की तिलावत कर रहा है. What does mean कर रहा है? Means he has started reciting the Holy Quran from 4 p.m. but it's still continuing. If it is 6 o'clock right now, but it's still continuing. He hasn't stopped it yet. Okay, he is still reciting it. She has been cooking food for last half an hour. वो पिछले आधे घंटे से खाना पका रही है. मतलब still she is still doing it. She is still cooking food. Numan has been playing for last 1 hour. Numan पिछले 1 घंटे से खेल रहा है. See, let us suppose Numan started playing cricket. It was 3 o'clock. Now it is 4, but he is still playing. Okay, he is still playing. He hasn't stopped playing yet. I have been teaching English for last 10 years. Okay, मैं पिछले 10 साल से English सिखा रहा हूँ. So what does mean? It is still continuing. I haven't finished yet. I am still doing it. वी हैव बीन वेटिंग फॉर यू सिंस 10 AM. हम आपका 10 बजे से इंतजार कर रहे हैं. यू हैव बीन डिगिंग सैफरन लैंड फॉर लास्ट 3 आवर्स. आप पिछले 3 घंटे से सैफरन लैंड खोद रहे हो. दे हैव बीन टीचिंग स्टूडेंट्स ओवर द ईयर्स. वो सालों से बच्चों को पढ़ा रहे हैं. वन थिंग यू हैव टू remember is that where we can use since and where we can use for. When we use since, it is exactly, pinpoint of the time. Exactly, we have to show the time as well. See, for example, he has been reciting the Holy Quran since. I use it here since, and again I use it here point of time. Okay, when we use for, then you don't need to mention the time over there. You can say over the years, for last half an hour, for last 2 hours, for last 3 hours. Okay, you can't give the exact time, but remember this thing, when you use since, you just have to mention the point of time as well. Okay, now I have written rule over here, how we can make present perfect continuous. We have to use subject, we have to use has been. Okay, subject has been oblique have been plus ing form of verb. Okay, now we have been following the same rule from the very beginning. I have been telling you that it, he, she plus singular we have to use has been, and with I, we, you, they plus plural we have to use have been. Okay, see, it has been, he has been, she has been, Numan has been, I have been, we have been, you have been. Okay, they have been. So we have been following the same structure, we have been following the same rule. Okay, I told you, if you go through these rules many times, you will understand each and everything, be it tenses, be it active, passive, or narration, whatever it is. Same, this is the base, this is the base. You have to understand this base, and after that it will be very much easy for you to understand each and everything. You can make endless number of examples by yourself, but the thing is, you are supposed to know grammatical rule and plus its usage, how we can use. I hope you got this lesson, and if you have got any question relevant to the topic, you are most welcome to pose any kind of question. Okay, I'll be always at your beck and call. I'll be always available for you to answer that question. Hope you got it. Thank you guys. Stay tuned and be happy. Thank you.